Hi, my name is Reginald Hollins. I am a BSN student here at Galen's Houston campus. I can say my favorite thing about Galen's approach to this at nursing education is that Galen is full nursing. Like everything I've done here has been related to nursing, whether it's English, math, science, everything has been nursing based. So I don't feel like I wasted any time in useless classes that wouldn't do anything for me. But everything was centered around nursing, and that's what I like. That's what I needed. As well as the teachers. I have a lot of wonderful, helpful teachers. They give a lot of information. They give a lot of study material. They give a lot of things to help you succeed. They're not just out here to get a check. The school's not out here just to make money. They actually want you to succeed. And then the labs are awesome. Like, you come in, you got a lot of hands-on with the Manikins that actually breathe, make sound and noises. They have their parts where everything you're learning, you can apply to it. And you get tested on it so you know what you're doing, which I love that as well. It's not an online or anything. It's hands-on, somebody standing there looking at you to make sure you're doing everything right and correcting you when you're wrong. So that's about my favorite thing about Galen.